Hello, dear viewers. In this video, I'm going to show you an incredible AI tool that has everything you need in one place. Want to turn text into images? Consider it done. Need to convert images into videos? Absolutely possible. Thinking about text to speech? No problem. Or maybe you want AI-generated music? It's all here. Unlike other AI tools where you get one feature but miss out on another, this tool combines everything in a single platform. And that's exactly why we are making this video. Oh, and here's a bonus. We are giving away 5 premium accounts. Each lucky winner will get a 3-month unlimited access to all features, completely free. Want to know how to participate? Stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. All right, before we dive into creating an AI avatar, let's first take a quick look at the amazing features FlexClip offers. It's not just about making AI avatars. FlexClip gives you so much more. From AI-powered video editing to text animations, and even background music generation. So let's check out some of its most exciting features before we jump into avatar creation. Let's explore some of the most powerful AI features this tool offers. Image to image. Want to transform an image into another? Check this. Old photo restoration. Need to bring old photos back to life? Done. Thinking about turning text into videos? Text to video and blog to video, absolutely possible. Want AI to generate a full video script for you? AI video script right here. Need a background remover or a face swap tool? You got it. And that's not all. This tool also offers text-to-speech, AI video generator, noise reducer, watermark remover, and so much more. The best part? Unlike other AI platforms that give you just 1 or 2 features, this tool gives you everything in one place. That's why I always bring you the best hidden gems. So, make sure to watch this video till the end, because at the end of this video, I'll be revealing the giveaway rules. Who knows? You might be the lucky winner of a premium account. So don't miss this chance. Participate in the giveaway and grab your 3-month unlimited access. Let's go. All right, now let's get straight to the main topic, how to create an AI avatar. The first step? Simply log in or sign up. If you don't have an account yet, no worries. Signing up is super easy. You have 3 options. Use your Google account for a quick sign up. Sign up with Facebook in just 1 click, or simply enter your email and create a new account. Since I already have an account, I'll log in, but you can choose whichever method works best for you. All right, once you sign up, you'll land on the main interface. But before we dive into creating an AI avatar, let me highlight something really important: templates. This tool offers ready-made templates for different types of content. Whether you're creating marketing videos, educational content, or fun social media clips, you'll find a perfect pre-designed template for your needs. The best part? These templates are fully customizable. You can edit text, change images, and tweak animations to match your style. And trust me, this is a premium feature that saves you tons of time and effort. So, now that we know about this amazing feature, let's move on to creating our AI avatar. All right, now let's get straight to the point, creating our AI avatar. The first step, go to the AI Tools section. On the left side, you'll see an option called AI Tools. Click on it. Here, you'll find a variety of AI-powered features. But for now, we need to generate an image for our avatar. To do that, select Text to Image from the list. Once you click on it, you'll land on the AI Image Generator page, where we can start creating a unique avatar. Sounds exciting, right? Let's move on. Now, to generate our avatar's image, we need the right prompts. But don't worry, I've got you covered. All the prompts you need are available in the description. Just click on the special link I've added there, and you'll find a complete set of prompts, plus a bonus tip. So don't forget to check the description and grab those ready-to-use prompts. Now let's move ahead. All right, now it's time to enter our prompt. Here you'll see a prompt box where we need to input our custom prompt. Once you've pasted your prompt, it's time to move to the Styles section. Here, you'll find a variety of styles to choose from, like photorealistic, digital art, anime, painting, and even vintage. Simply pick the style that matches your vision and let the AI do the magic. Now, since we are creating an AI avatar, we need to select the right style. For that, go to Styles and choose Photo to get the most realistic results. Next, in the Model section, you'll see 3 options: Fast, Pro, and Ultra. If you're using FlexClip for free, you'll only see the normal option. But since I have a premium account, I can switch to Ultra for higher quality images. After that, set the aspect ratio to 16:9 as we are creating an avatar for videos. Finally, in the image count section, select how many avatars you need, and you're all set. All right, once all the settings are adjusted, just click on Generate, and within a few seconds, your AI avatar will start generating. Here it is. Look at the stunning results. You can see how realistic and high quality these images are. Let me open and show you all the avatars we just created. Wow, just look at this. Absolutely amazing. The details, the quality, everything looks so realistic. Now, once your AI avatar image is generated, you just need to click on the download button right here. And boom! Your AI avatar is saved and ready to use. And there you go. Super easy, right? Now that we have created our AI avatar, it's time to bring it to life. Right now, it's just an image, but we want it to move, talk, and feel real. To animate it, go to the More Tools option. Once you're there, you'll find the AI Video Generator option. This will take you to the AI Video Generator landing page, where we can start transforming our image into a realistic animated video. Here, you will see 2 options: text to video and image to video. If you don't have an image and want to generate an AI avatar directly from text, you can enter a prompt in the prompt box. But since we already have our AI avatar image, we will select the image to video option. Next, upload your AI avatar image. If you generated your image on FlexClip, simply click on AI Images, and you will see all the images you created. Select the one you want to animate. Now, in the prompt box, enter the animation prompt. As I mentioned earlier, the link to all the prompts I'm using is available in the description. For free users, the duration limit is 5 seconds, while premium users can create 10-second videos. If you want to unlock the premium features, make sure to participate in our giveaway. After adjusting all the settings, simply click on Generate. Once you do that, your AI avatar will start processing. You might have to wait a few moments, but soon your animated avatar will appear with a stunning and realistic look. Wow! Your AI avatar will now move, smile, and look just like a real, living character. Now, to save your avatar, simply click on the download button, and your AI avatar video will be downloaded instantly. All right, so now that our AI avatar is downloaded, let's talk about the giveaway rules so you can participate and win. The rules are super simple. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Like this video. Leave a nice and positive comment. Then take screenshots of all these steps. Once you have the screenshots, send them to our Instagram account, link in the description. And guess what? 5 lucky winners will get premium accounts for 3 months. And if this video gets a good response, we may increase the number of winners. Each winner will receive a 100% discount voucher to upgrade their account to premium for 3 months, with unlimited credits and full access to all features. So don't miss this amazing opportunity. Also, make sure to join our WhatsApp community for giveaway updates. Link in description. All right, dear viewers, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content. See you in the next video. Happy creating and goodbye.